Good afternoon, gentlemen. Ger'rell King here. Welcome back to the Man Up channel. So, I made a video about this about a year or two ago. This might have been on a different channel, but I made a video about a professor that has been on my mind over the last couple years, who was a very strict professor when I was in college. I was taking statistics 2, and I had a very strict professor who used to always go in on us as a class because a lot of the students couldn't keep up with the material, and that they would want her to have a curve on the grade, but she wouldn't curve. And one of her responses would be, "It's not my fault that the teachers before you and the professors before you didn't prepare you to be in this class, and they made it easy on you." She said when I was in college in Iran, because she was Iranian, she said that not only did they not have curves, but once they completed all 4 years of their university classes of their curriculum, that they then had to take a test on everything that they learned over the last 4 years. So she said, being in America and being in the school system, I see that your teachers are failing you because they're making things easy for you instead of teaching you how to think critically. And her main point of all this was critical thinking. She was very adamant on us being able to think critically. And what she used to always say, and why she would always say you need to know how to think critically, is because she would say, if you don't learn how to think critically, you will be replaced by robots. That was in 2015. Now it's 2025, and Google AI has just rolled out, and I've been playing around with Flow, which has an element of VO3, and it is next level. So you guys know that I have a history in the music industry. I'm a creative, I'm a music producer, an engineer, songwriter, all of these different things. So I'm very creative and I'm very tech savvy. So I had to get my hands on this VO3 once I saw what it was capable of. And since I've been playing around with it, it is pretty impressive. The platform itself has some bugs that I think need to be worked out, but I think overall what they're doing is they're just trying to get things rolled out so that they can stay in the race. To me, it's similar to the moon race, and when America was trying to be first to the moon with Russia and China and everything, they're competing. So I don't think it's fully ready. It's an airplane. I don't think it's fully ready to do what it's going to be able to do, especially for those who can't afford to pay for the highest tier of what it costs, because it's not the cheapest thing to be paying for on a monthly basis for someone who's not going to be making money off of it. Excuse me. But for a content creator, rather it be a good thing or a bad thing, it's pretty impressive, and I think that it's only going to get better. I think in about 5 years, it will be a force to be reckoned with. Let's say that. And I'm seeing stuff of you can make videos that basically I can make this video that I'm making right now and not be me. I can use a whole different person. I could create a person. I can use different voices. I can use different backgrounds, different scenarios. I can do the same type of content that I would want to create, which I would need the time and the budget to do. But I could do it all from sitting at my computer and just making it and not having to do any of it. And I can make endless amounts of content with endless amounts of characters and endless amounts of locations and channels. So it's making me definitely question how I want to move forward with this channel. I have other channels, and if I can make other channels with different messages in different avatars, I don't know, man. It's good and bad, because for those who are us, you know, if you are a content creator or YouTuber and you want to build a family and a community online, you know, you want it to be authentic. And I think there will always be a demand for authenticity, because people want to connect with others. People want to have friends. They want to be a part of a community. They want to have a network. You know, I push that heavily to be successful. But then on the flip side, from an entrepreneurial standpoint, you could also just build channels and have businesses on YouTube that are just built off of content that you created using AI. So that would make it difficult for other people who can't keep up or who aren't tech savvy. So where am I going with this? The point is, you got to be able to keep up. You have to continue to make sure that you invest in yourself so that you remain someone that is in demand. Because if you do not keep up, you will be left behind. So you got to stay current with the times. And I do think that there is a strength and a beauty to tradition in certain elements and areas of life. But I also think from a point or a perspective of financial increase and gain, you don't want to end up being Blockbuster. You don't want to be Video City. You don't want to be Redbox. You know, you want to be Netflix. Even if it looks weird and is uncomfortable and the money doesn't seem like it makes sense early on, it's a long-term game. It's all about the long-term strategy. You don't want to go out of business and then be stuck with no current skills. Always continue to find new skills that you can learn. Always find new skills that you can learn. Do not peak too early. Do not plateau and just stay one level. You have to always keep learning. That's the only way that you're going to continue to grow, is by continuously learning. You have to always study. You have to always be picking up new skills, new traits, whether it be soft skills or hard skills. You have to continue to do so. Do not ever get comfortable or complacent in this life. Stay competitive. Stay hungry. Stay curious. The Bible says, study to show yourself approved. How much are you studying? Or are you too distracted with the normal things that they use to distract us? Entertainment, the Diddy trial, I don't know, Trump, whatever, I don't know. Are you distracted? Stay focused on becoming better. Study to show yourself approved. That's how you stay up competitive. That's how you stay in demand. That's how you keep your mind sharp. You stay on your toes. That's how you don't get blindsided by new technology and now your job is getting replaced because AI can do what you couldn't do. Or it could do what you can do, but better, more efficiently and cheaper. Stay sharp, guys. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to the channel. It's hot out here, but it's a nice day. I'm headed to a birthday party. Enjoy your weekend, gentlemen. Peace.